The story of one sheet of rethinking paper begins where another one ends. Tossed in the waste paper container alongside various other paper products. In Germany, almost 212 kilograms of paper and cardboard are consumed per capita per year. It's a good thing that the recycling rate is currently almost 80%. One of the major pioneers of paper recycling is Steinbeis Papier in Glückstadt, where recycled graphic paper is produced for printing and writing on. The first step is to pre-sort the reclaimed waste paper and filter out any foreign objects, cardboard and cardboard packaging. The graphic waste paper that remains is used to produce a good 300,000 tons of high-quality recycled paper at the Steinbeis factory every year. The actual waste paper processing begins by mixing the paper with water until it dissolves. This creates a grey pulp from which the old printing inks are removed using caustic soda. In the next step, smaller foreign objects such as staples are removed using sieves. Only then, during the de-inking process, is the printing ink separated from the paper fibres. Soap and air are used to create soap bubbles, which pass through the pulp and carry the ink particles along with them. When this soapy foam reaches the surface, it is simply sucked off together with the printing inks. The pulp continues to undergo this process until it is colourless enough to turn into new recycled paper. The pulp is transformed into paper inside the paper machine. As the pulp travels over a distance of almost 100 meters, more and more water is extracted from it until the finished paper is produced. First, in the twin wire section, the moisture is drained from the fibers using sieves. Then, in the press section, the press felts mechanically remove further moistures from the web. In the pre-dryer section, steam-heated cylinders ensure further drying of the paper. To improve printability and writability, various liquids are applied to the paper web during surface treatment, which are then dried in the post-dryer section. Finally, the paper is given its final surface structure in the soft calendar, using heat and pressure before it is rolled onto large reels. This is how high-quality recycled paper is produced in Glückstadt every day, including, of course, the popular rethinking paper in A4 format. The story of one sheet of rethinking paper begins where another one ends.